section, I just thought I'm going to take you guys through my morning skincare routine. Now, skincare for me is actually very, very, very important. I have gotten majorly into skincare during the pandemic. That's when I really almost got obsessed with skincare. I kind of realized that it really works when you do form a routine. So now since then I've had a skincare routine which I keep sometimes rotating, trying different things, trying new products, seeing what works for me, what doesn't. So disclaimer, I'm not a dermatologist, so do not blindly follow what I'm doing. But everything that I have done or I'm gonna show or use today is something that I have researched and it's worked for me, and this is what works for my skin. So do your own research of things and try products, see what suits your own skin. Okay, let's go. I do not do a mask every single day, but I do it like once in a week, maybe sometimes twice, depends. If I have a छुट्टी day and I'm not working, तो मैं कई बार mask कर लेती हूँ. And if I have a very important shoot and sometimes I feel like my skin is not feeling nice and I need to give it a little extra, I take out the time and I do a mask. But since हम ये video कर रहे हैं, today I'm going to do a mask. In the morning, I give my skin everything hydrating, like all antioxidants, your vitamin C, everything which is brightening, nourishing is something I give in the morning. क्योंकि मैं दिन में हम सन में जाने वाले हैं, लाइट्स होती हैं, फोटो शूट होता है या कोई शूट होता है, तो योर स्किन शुड नॉट बी वेरी सेंसिटिव. तो मैं कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं देती हूँ अपनी स्किन को मॉर्निंग में जो मेरी स्किन को सेंसिटिव बनाए या थोड़ा प्रोन टू स्किन डैमेज, सन डैमेज बनाए. So we're going to give everything hydrating, and because we are doing a mask, I'm going to get into a headband because I hate when my hair gets wet. And I found this really cute bunny headband, so I kind of like it. It's damn cute. I'm going to take my hair also back fully. It's cute, no? So I actually do a particular mask which is my favorite, which has a lot of probiotic, Greek yogurt kind of stuff, which जो मेरी बहन ले गई है और मैं बहुत देर से ढूंढने की कोशिश करी थी, मुझे नहीं मिल रहा था, और I just called her and she's in Jaipur right now and she's taken my favorite mask like always. But it's okay, we have another one. I have lots of masks. So my face is washed. It has nothing on it. I've just washed it. My hands are washed. Very important. So I'm gonna start with putting this mask, which is very creamy, like you can see. Okay, I don't know. I've never done this before. How do you do this? Does this get focus on? No, it's not happening. Oh, it's happening. So you put it on. I like using my hands only because I just feel कि मुझे पता है मैं कितना प्रेशर डाल रही हूँ, मैं कितना स्प्रेड कर रही हूँ, and my hands are, I know, very clean. कोई ब्रश वगैरह होता है तो उसमें पता नहीं होता है कितना क्लीन है कितना नहीं, क्योंकि ये एक हाइड्रेटिंग मास्क है. I also go on my under eyes a little. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit on my neck as well. Okay, now that the mask is done, while I wait, कुछ 20 से 30 minutes I think, I'm going to wait and keep this mask, let it all sink in, and have a little hot water with lemon. It's important to hydrate from inside as well. So I'm going to do that and I will chill and just roam around a little bit, maybe play with my dogs, and I'll be back in about 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. So chalo, let's get this mask off. I actually like using the little sponge first. I find it easier to just take it off with a sponge first, and then I'm gonna wash. Now I've called for these microfiber towels, which are very soft, like extremely soft. Microfiber towels जो हैं वो आपकी स्किन के लिए बहुत अच्छे होते हैं because they're not rough. And I just pat it. मैं rub नहीं करती हूँ, और मैं पूरा ड्राई भी नहीं करती हूँ, मैं हल्का सा डैम्प रहने देती हूँ। डैम्प स्किन पे जो आपका स्किन केयर है वो ज़्यादा जल्दी ज़्यादा अच्छे से अब्जॉर्ब होता है। सो इट्स जस्ट वेरी नाइस टू कीप योर स्किन अ लिटिल डैम्प। I started tying my hair these days in this loop bun that I personally love. It's somewhere in between a pony and a bun, and it's like a lazy bun. And I make a loop in the last one, and I leave it. So that's like my new favorite hairstyle, which is like my all-time hairstyle at home. So now my face is still slightly damp. So स्किन केयर में हमेशा थिनेस्ट कंसिस्टेंसी से थिकेस्ट में जाते हैं, मतलब जितना वाटरी कंटेंट है पहले, जो वाटरी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं टोनर्स वगैरह वो पहले, एंड देन यू गो थिकर मॉइस्चराइजर एंड एट द एंड ऑयल, क्योंकि ऑयल के ऊपर कुछ भी लगेगा वो अंदर नहीं जाएगा. So oil is your last step if at all you like using oil. So here I have recently started using this toner. मैं normally green tea toner है ये जो मैं यूज़ करती हूँ. Green tea antioxidants होते हैं, तो it is very very good and nourishing and hydrating and it's also brightening. ये एक नया टोनर है जो मैं literally 3 दिन से यूज़ कर रही हूँ. It's got niacinamide. Niacinamide is vitamin B basically, and niacinamide is very very good for all kinds of skin. It's good for brightening, it's good for calming your skin, it's nice for nourishing. जो excess oil हमारी skin produce करती है वो stop करता है. So it's a very nice toner for day and for night actually. Now the next thing that I put is vitamin C. Vitamin C मैं हर मॉर्निंग लगाती हूँ without fail. मेरा मॉर्निंग स्किन केयर रूटीन एक्चुअली बहुत चेंज नहीं होता है. इट इज़ the same every single day. Sometimes my night skincare routine varies. There are days I put something else depending on what my skin is feeling like. But in the morning, I always put vitamin C. It's brightening, it's got antioxidants, it's hydrating, and vitamin C जो है वो आपके SPF को भी help करता है. So it's actually very very good. So I just put it and then I just pat it. हम लोग हर चीज़ में eyelids भूल जाते हैं और सबसे पहले eyelids जो है वो sag करना शुरू हो जाते हैं, and then we're like, oh my eyelid is sagging because you have not moisturized it, you've not given it anything good, and it's dry, and that's why it starts sagging. So make sure you put everything hydrating on your eyelids also. I don't put too much in the morning because I don't like it too heavy and sticky and everything. I next go with an SPF. Now मुझे पसंद नहीं है कि मैं अलग से मॉइस्चराइजर लगाऊँ और फिर अलग से SPF लगाऊँ. So I use this moisturizing sunscreen. It is very hydrating and it's got ceramides. Now ceramides are proteins and basically amino acids and everything that your skin is built up from, and it's very hydrating. तो अगर मैं घर पे हूँ, मैं कहीं नहीं जा रही हूँ, तो फिर मैं ये यूज़ करती हूँ. अगर मैं कहीं कोई मीटिंग के लिए जा रही हूँ, or if I'm like stepping out, then I mix this with like a tinted sunscreen. So I mix two. But today I'm actually at home. Some sort of peptide or ceramide in your daily routine is very good. आपका जो collagen है, elastin है, everything जो आपकी skin को elasticity देता है, ये सारे proteins होते हैं, which are basically ceramides. And जो बचता है back of your hands. But everything that I put which is hydrating, I take it to my neck. Also try and rub it on my chest area because these areas also age, they also get dried. That's it. I like that little glow and hydrated feeling of the skin. That's all. My last step is lip balm because I hate dry lips. So I put like a nice layer of lip balm. Now I do something which is like a trick जो मैं normally रात को करती हूँ, but because I don't have to go anywhere, I'll do it right now also, which is जो आपका बचा हुआ lip balm है, just put it on this area which is like your crow's feet area. Any kind of petroleum gel जो है वो it acts as an occlusive. Basically it prevents water loss. So जो भी मैंने अभी लगाया है, it makes sure कि वो लगा रहे और उसके सारे benefits मुझे मिले. I normally don't put it in the day. I put it at night. But since I'm home, I will put it. Okay, and I am done. I just like keeping it simple and minimalistic and nothing too complicated, especially in the morning. My night skincare routine is a little more complicated and it changes with how my skin is feeling and what I've done the previous day, and I keep experimenting with my night skincare routine. Very, very important, do not miss your SPF. Sunscreen is extremely important because in the long run, sun damage is very difficult to reverse. That is my morning skincare routine. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, like, share and subscribe. Also tell me what other videos you would like to see because this is fun.